Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Now today's video is a Glam DIY upcycle. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get this Glam DIY revamp video started. And you guys, I'm just using these two vases here. You guys, I purchased these vases from Dollar General and they were $15 a piece. They have like a stone like texture, and I do love them, but I just don't love the color. I'm going to be spray painting them with my Walmart color place paint. I'm going to be using some crushed diamond epoxy for them as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to just paint these pieces and get this video going. Now here I painted. I will let you know I did use some apple bear paint as well. And my pieces that I was going to add, I just scratched it and I'm going a whole nother way, you guys. But before that, this portion of the video, you guys, is actually sponsored by Burlap.com. I'm dropping all of their information down in my description. Now I received several items from them. I'm just going to unbox it. Please make sure you do come back on this upcoming week, you guys. You're going to be seeing about 3 DIYs that I'm going to be creating using these pieces, and it's going to be for an glam farmhouse style tablescape. So, and as you do see, they do put their logo on their packaging as well. So I'm just opening up here, you guys, and this is just your standard burlap napkins that we're taking out, and it is a total of 10 of these napkins, you guys. And this is what they look like, and I will tell you guys the quality of the material. I was actually amazed with the quality of the material. The material quality is actually really great. And once again, make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming DIYs, because we're going to jazz all of these pieces up just a little bit. If you know your girl, you know your girl. But I have those napkins, and I also have 3 more items from Burlap.com as well. I have this 100% natural jute cord. I'm going to just open it up and let you see that. To all of my farmhouse lovers or French country lovers as well, you will love this product. Make sure you do check it out. And you see that stripping, and to me, you guys, even with this jute, natural jute, the strips, it looks like you can literally pull it off, because this was a total of a 5-roll jute cord. And the next, you guys, we have this burlap table runner. And you guys, this table runner was the 107 by something, but anyway, it will actually fit my 10-seater table. And here again, Burlap.com have their logo on it. And you guys, the quality, once again, I was actually amazed with the quality. So make sure you check out their website. I do have that linked down in the description. You can also check them out on Instagram and Facebook as well. Now here I have the roll of the colored burlap. Now no matter what your color fancy is, they had about 30 or so different colors, and I went with the brown for this, and it was for something in particular. Once again, make sure you do come back and check out tablescape that I am going to feature using Burlap.com products. So we do have that coming soon. Alright you guys, make sure you check them out. I do have a discount code in my description for you to get a discount, and that discount code does have an expiration date as well. So make sure you check them out and see what you can find. And once again, if you're a farmhouse type girl or you're a French country, make sure you do check them out. Alright you guys, now let's jump back into the video. Now you see my pieces painted, you guys. I am going to dress this vase up. And I'm going to tell you, originally guys, I did add in some mirror at the top neck of the vase that you're going to see me here doing. And when you saw the original vase, and I'm going to include that in the clip, you guys, where it had the the solid stripping, I'm just going to jazz those areas up with my self-adhesive bling wrap. Now here I'm just adding my mirrors on. You guys, just make sure you follow me along. We're going to be bringing you some truly, and I mean truly, simple and easy DIYs. We're going to be just revamping some pieces, you guys, because we're gearing you up to bring you some spectacular content. And you're going to see we're kind of be going in kind of a different direction, but we're going to gear you up for that. So in the meantime, we're going to just overload you with all of this very simple and easy Glam DIY revamps and updates. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And once again, if you're still watching and you're not part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell twice, it turns blue, and you'll know every time that I am uploading. And if you by chance are not getting our notifications, we do upload on Sundays at 2 p.m., Tuesdays at 5 p.m., Thursdays at 5 p.m., and Friday at 5 p.m. And we're going to change that Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday time to fluctuate between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. you guys. So if you don't get a notification, please just come over to the channel and make sure you see what we are bringing to you guys. And two, I do want to still thank you guys. We're still on that road for that 50K. Thank you guys for these last few weeks. You've shown the channel a lot of love and support. I truly appreciate it and thank you so very much. Now, enough talking, let's finish this DIY. And once again, my family, do be on the lookout. I am going to bring you, it's going to kind of sort of be like a series of revamps and upcycles, because we're actually going through decor that's in my home. And you guys, I want to tell you, always shop your home. But we're going through decor here in my home that I'm actually getting ready to transition a lot of it out. We're going to give it a different look, a different flair, because I'm actually changing it, because I'm actually doing things of all the stuff that I am getting rid of to bless it with a family member. They've already gave me their color, and we're going to jazz it up, so you'll just get to see it style just for a short period here in my home. But be on the lookout, because you're going to see a couple of videos, you guys, with me doing some stylings for some friends and family members. So my outside work, you'll begin to get to see that as well. So we're just jazzing this up just a little bit. And once again, if you're not following the channel, please make sure you do follow the channel. Here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you get a lot of DIY home decor, DIY room decorating, decor ideas, DIY hacks, tips and tricks, DIY accessories, a little bit of DIY budget-friendly renovations as well. If anything is on the scale of a do-it-yourself, you will get it here, and it'll also mix with a flair of glam. So if all of that sounds interesting, make sure you become part of the family. Also, don't forget to share the channel with your family and your friends. We truly do appreciate it, but don't just stop showing your love there. Make sure you go over to our other sister branded channels, and that is the Glam Queen of DIY and the Glam Queen Vlogs. And you guys, we're gearing you up so we can roll content on all three of the channels. But not only on all three of the channels, you will also be getting content coming on all of our other platforms as well. So you can also find Glam Queen of DIY on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, Pinterest, and Twitter as well. So please make sure you go to our homepage, click on any of our links, and become part of this fabulous Glam family. And as you see here, you guys, where I put that mirror on the top of the vase, I just decided to come back and actually add in some of that self-adhesive bling wrap on top of the mirror as well. It actually added another dimension to the vase as well. But the overall, it actually turned out well. I'm also going to include a clip by the end, you guys, where you will get to see it styled as well. So drop me a comment if you are liking what this vase is looking like thus far as well, and let me know if this is something you would do in replicating. But you guys always, you know I love white. If you followed me for a while, you know I am your silver girl and I am your white girl. But you can implement any DIY, you guys, that you see in the color of your choice. So just let me know if this would be a DIY revamp or upcycle that you would consider doing in your home for any style or type of vase that you already currently have. And once again, DIY Glammers, don't forget to become part of the Glam Queen of DIY family. The link is down in the description. And here's what both of those vases are looking like. And I promise you guys, these vases look spectacular in person. Don't forget to see the clip of me having them styled at the end. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Don't forget to subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor and Glam Queen Vlogs. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.